Oh. Good morning. How are you guys doing? Oops, that's too big. Okay. Hello, Alex. So today I want to go through something kind of fun again. I was thinking about doing a hermit crab, but maybe either hermit crab or a Hercules beetle or some kind of big beetle. I think maybe the beetle will be more fun, and plus I'm not totally sure how to do the hermit crab's shell yet, so maybe, well, we'll see how it goes. But I'm just collecting some images right now. Some nice, that's a good one. Okay. Yeah, everybody loves the Hercules beetle, right? It's probably one of the most iconic beetles out there. And look at that, so weird. Creepy. It looks like inflatable, like a float version that you could ride on a raft. Okay. Let's see. There you are. So we need probably a top view. And I would like another image editor and maybe a side view-ish. It's not bad. I'm gonna turn on this little thing which makes it so that they don't disappear when you save your file, or when you reopen your file. If you don't check these, they'll disappear, which is kind of annoying. Okay. So we can start off with just a cube for this thing. Where did you guys go? Here we are. Okay, well. Hello, Noki. Hello, Blenderburst. Okay, so let's see. I like when I'm doing a sculpt, I like to just block it out very simply. Even something as simple as this is helpful, because I think this is a little bit faster than trying to manually sculpt it. Okay, so like a super simple version of this beetle. So that's the first step. And I might just copy this over. And just getting little things like, oh, this is that kind of a shape. So just get a general overall version of it. And then probably from the side view I want to get a little bit of that. This is pretty tall here. This is pretty thick here. Then it gets really thin. I might want to add an extra loop in here and go like that. And this can be like I don't know, 5 minutes worth of work here, but I think it's worth it. Hello, game dev Fred. Hello, Pedro. Postal Pete. Hello. The usual suspects today. Oh shoot. Okay, like that. Okay. And then maybe maybe something down here. Something like that. Alright. Gonna be hiding in the lower jaw this time. Remember to extrude. Whoa! Oops. Extruding, and we scaling, making sure everything is nice and smooth. And then this one looks like a little baby's hand. Baby hand just grabbing up there, but we could probably just sculpt that. But anyway, I am almost okay. Maybe this is a little too detailed here. I don't want to be over committing to the low poly version. I'm gonna smooth it out, smooth it here. Maybe just one subdivision like this, maybe two. Okay, and now we can apply that, but we cannot apply in edit mode, which really peeves me. It's one of my peeves. Alright, here we are. Okay, let's start the sculpting process. Let's save this. Where are we? 2018. Hello? It's a whole box of empanadas.
You want one now?
Yes. Yes, please. Okay, where were we? Hercules. Yes, empanadas. Empanadas incoming. Okay, so let's see. I want to separate these all out. So I'll pick this one, hit P to separate it. Now it's on its own mesh. And do the same thing over here, P to separate it. It's on its own mesh, or its own object. And that way we can, it's sort of like masking. So when we edit this one, it won't affect the others. So let's go here. I'm going control space into sculpt mode here. And now I have a little pop-up menu here for sculpting. So let's I'll get the grab tool. F is to change your brush size. And this pop-up is Control-Shift-V. Ooh, thank you. Empanada. Hello, Leo. So this pop-up is Control-Shift-V on the HEAVYPOLY config. And if you want to try this out, you can just get it at, just search HEAVYPOLY 2.8 on YouTube and you'll find it. But I'm working right now on this properties pop-up, and I'm having a lot of fun with it. I think it's nice because it lets you kind of work without having to deal with the properties panel, and it pops up right under your mouse too, which is nice. So I'm gonna get the grab tool again. F. And if you need more geometry, you could just try like a snake hook. We'll add extra geometry. Like that. Yeah, so snake hook is sort of like move, except it adds in geo. Like if we were to keep pulling this thing, it just keeps adding and adding and adding. It's kind of cool. Whereas if we try to do that with a regular grab tool, see how the grab tool doesn't do that. It doesn't add anything extra. It's just moving what's already there. Anyway. Let's see. Hello? Michelle likes to stand behind me and creepily watch without saying anything. Okay. And then shift will smooth it out. And it's okay that it's pretty poly, like, you know, low poly right now. That's fine. I kind of want it to be like that so we can have an easy time messing around with it. So on second thought, I'm thinking maybe all of this stuff back here I should get rid of. Like that. Because this is sort of like a shell, right? So okay, can we still sculpt on this? Yes, we can. Like up here, all this stuff, I feel like I don't need that. Just get rid of all that. And this stuff too. Okay. Okay, back to sculpting. Oop. Good morning, Torben. Still puffing as usual. Postal Pete says the beetles like to hurl each other through the air for dominance. I wish people could do that. Alright, let me start punching this. I'm gonna look up that video. Let's see if Hercules beetle fight. I have my empanada here.
On the forest floor, trouble is brewing. Meet the Hercules beetle, the largest beetle in Central America and the strongest insect on Earth. Another male has invaded his territory, and that usually means a fight. At half a foot long and weighing in at 2 ounces, the contenders are evenly matched. The challenger moves closer. The
Can't
defender
even walk
tries to
properly.
intimidate by displaying his massive horns. Undaunted, the challenger moves into fighting range and engages the defender.
I like this music. Very exciting. Whoa. Boom. Boom. What? Fancy footwork there. Oh, damn. Holy shit. He's like, that's right.
The challenger has lost his bid for power. Vanquished until he is ready for a rematch.
Wow. So the jaw, like the claw opening and closing, is just his head moving up and down.
Or vegetarian something. French fries and beer are vegan.
But there's sometimes a crossover hour. Like a ground-to-air wood chopping machine.
This is so dramatic.
Body and wings are protected by heavy armor. 2 grappling hooks on each foot. Hold it clean to trees.
I wonder if they use dynotopo.
Even the antennae are thick and tough.
The antenna serve as sensitive.
In a frenzy, the flame belly throws silk bandages around its victim.
This is
Okay, that's enough of that. That was a delicious spinach y queso empanada. Okay. Oops. I feel like this buddy also can get rid of all that. Get rid of all that. Oops. Like that. What? Oh, there we go. Flood surface dynotopo. Why would I want to do that though? I don't need it yet. Excuse me. Oh man. Look at that. That booty. Let's see. Base when converting from poly. Well, I wanted to also get the subdivision, so I mean like the smoothing from the subdivision. But yeah, I guess either way is fine. You could smooth it out manually or just use a subdivision. I'm just holding shift to smooth these edges out a little bit. And I think that's better. It's working better as a shell than as a solid piece here. That's what it is. It is sort of just a shell. Try inflate. Okay. What? Oh my god, this wireframe mode is killing me. Dude. Come on. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. Okay, I guess we need some more meat up front here. Some bug meat. It's gotta have some pretty powerful muscles in there. Imagine using your neck as a weapon. It's beefy. Okay. Ah, man, this wireframe mode. You cannot select stuff. Give me this fucking edge. Ah. Hello? I'm in edge mode. Give me an edge. Give me an edge, please. Oh my god. I'm gonna murder you. Ah, what is going on here? Okay. Let's try another little small cube. Small cube right here. Could put a little ball here, like that. Then another one like this. Let me separate this off so that we can keep this like that. What is this wireframe doing? It's like double double lines there for some reason. Yeah, this wireframe is funky. Okay. The shortcut is Control Shift V And this is part of the heavy poly pies. So if you want to play with that, it's on YouTube. If you search Heavy Poly 2.8, this is only for Blender 2.8 right now. Is it X-ray wireframe? Let's check. Well, this doesn't seem to do anything here. That doesn't seem to affect it either. See, we have like double, it looks like double wireframe. What's going on? These lines are really hard to see, or they're like inconsistent, I guess. Oh, well, I don't know. There we go. Alright, I forgot about matcaps. Where's my favorite matcap? Here you are. There you are. Or what about flat? Oh wait, is it these ones? Maybe it's these ones here. Yeah, okay. Something like that. What is my clipping range? Here it is, 0.1 and 1000. Man, selection is acting really weird lately. I'm just adding in some loops here to keep it from exploding when we subdivide it. Why is this showing? It's not very useful. Alright, let me try that out. Let's see if it's fighting. I don't know, man. I don't like this little thing where it switches between the wireframe and the outline sort of randomly here. It's like gray and then white, gray, white. That also is weird. I feel like in edit mode maybe it should ignore the outline like that. Or just choose one or the other so they're not fighting each other and switching back and forth all the time. Especially when you zoom in and out, it's just like jiggling around everywhere. Wow, so his back legs are smaller than the front legs. That's interesting. Imagine if your arms were bigger than your legs. Your pants would be all... You could imagine if you could get turtleneck pants. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Look at his feetsies. Oh man, what the hell? What is going on here? What? So wait, I'm in wireframe mode now, and I can't select through, but if I'm in materials mode... What? Can't select through. What's going on? But then I can over here. But then I can't over here. But then I can over here. What? What is happening? Okay, it's selecting through, but not picking this face here. What could that be? And it's working here too, but... I'm very confused, guys. What's going on? Okay, now everything's working as it should. Oh, I think maybe it has something to do with the subdivision modifier right now. Like, it's trying to select the subdivided version of it while displaying the non-subdivided version of it, or something funny like that. I don't know. Or am I just on the wrong side? I need to figure that out eventually. It's confusing the shit out of me. Butt is a little bit pointy. Yeah, I have the latest build. Are you playing with the... Yeah. For Windows though, we haven't gotten a build since yesterday for some reason. We'll see. Yeah, Windows is stuck on the 9th. Try to increase the detail a little bit. There we go. Maybe we could get a bit of a crease going in the middle. Looks like a can opener. This guy. I wonder if we use crease work here in the middle. Ooh, bottom here is looking pretty janky. Maybe we can use fill. Oh, no. We need to get rid of that, where is it? Front faces only. I need to add that option. Oh, the chat is saying flood fill. Let's see. Oh, where is it? Where do you find that flood fill? Is it in here? Dynotopo. Where would flood fill be? Is it hidden up here? It's not in fill. Where is it, guys? Do you know? Is it in dynotopo? Oops. Am I just blind here? Oh, is it this? Wait, no, that's not it. Where is it? Where is it? Damn it. Well, anyway, just keep plugging along here. Whoa. Maybe I should use regular constant detail. Oh, here it is. You have to switch to constant detail and then you can do flood fill. That makes perfect sense. There we go. So now I can eyedropper this detail here and then flood fill it. Okay, that works. So I need to, I'll add that into my little pop-up here. Let me add that in, actually. Details. Oh man, they use different resolution for each of these. That's not good. Alright, let's find the code for that. Copy Python command. And go to my pop-up. Where is it? Pop-up properties. And I'm looking for sculpting. Where are you? Here you are. Detail type method. So do we have a detail type method? So the annoying thing is that this resolution here in constant detail resolution is different. And if we switch to relative detail, this is a different number for a different setting. So I'll just have to do some jiggering to get that. Constant detail resolution. So this should only happen if detail underscore type underscore method equals let's see what the command is called here. Okay, here we go. These are the commands that we need. Okay, so if we are in constant mode, then we want to see this one, and if we're in relative mode, then we want to see percent, right? Okay. If this actually works, that'll be a miracle. Let's see. I'll save this. Reload my scripts. Oh, nope. Let me go in here again. Okay, let's see. And my pie's dead. Let's see what the error is. It says, oh, I forgot my colons. Okay, anytime you have a if statement, then you need colons at the end. Let's do that again. There it is. Okay, so now we are in relative mode and the detail size is in, we're getting detail size right here. If I switch to constant mode, then we get this other option, percent. That's not what I want though. Constant should get rid of the percent. Relative should relative gives you detail size. Constant gives you constant detail resolution. Brush detail. Brush detail gives you percentage. And manual detail gives you also constant. So detail size is the one that's popping up here that we don't want, I think. Oh wait, no, detail size is the one that we do want. That's for relative detail. Okay. So detail size only pops up. Alright, I got the wrong one in here. So this one needs to go inside here. Like that, like that. I got them backwards. And then detail percent is only for brush, right? Okay, yes, brush. So brush. Let's make another one here called brush. And then this one, detail percent, has to go inside there. Alright, let's save this. Reload it. Okay, so now we have detail here, brush detail, relative detail gives you the correct setting, and then constant detail gives you no setting. What the? Constant detail resolution. What's wrong? Okay, tool settings.sculpt.detail percent. Tool settings.sculpt.detail percent. Tool settings.sculpt.constant detail resolution. That's why. It's the wrong command. Save it. Okay, here we go. Constant, relative, brush, manual. Manual uses also constant detail resolution. Okay. So we can say if method is in constant or brush, then we both use the same, or sorry, manual. Then they both use the same setting. Okay, manual, brush, constant, relative. Okay. Ugh. And then also we want, what was that other command? Here we go. Detail flood fill. We want that to also appear here. Why isn't it showing up? Sculpt that detail. Oh, that's why it's not a prop. It's an operator. And then you have to go like this, and then you have to go like that, and text. Well, I'll just leave the text alone. Wait. Detail flood fill. Where are you? What did I do wrong? Let's see. I think I might have lost everybody with this stupid stuff. Oh, damn it. Where are you? Like, it even left a space for it. Oh, sculpt dot detail flood fill. Okay, there it is. Flood fill mesh would select. Okay, let's go to sculpt mode. There we are. There it is. Can't undo that. So let's see if it works on a cube. I'll go to sculpt mode, constant detail, and then detail flood fill. Woohoo! It works. Although I don't feel like it should require, you know what I mean? Like, why does this require you to be in constant detail mode? What if you're in relative detail mode and you want to flood fill? Why is it blocking that out? Because I don't, if you're using relative mode, why would that? I mean, I get that it's a different setting here, but you could still flood fill. Oh, God. It doesn't matter. Image editor. All this crap here, I'm gonna get rid of it. Oh yeah, he's got eyeballs too. Eyeballs are always good. Oops. I feel like I didn't do a very good job on his on this part here. Very awkward. Oops. All right. Here we are. All right. What about just throwing a material on this thing? I think it needs glossy. Remove that. Black. Maybe this can be more of a tan color. New material, make it tan. Not that brainy. Ooh. Smooth that out a little bit. You. Alright, what about some noise or wrinkles in this beach? Let's go bump and bump height, noise. And then, let's see. This needs to be way lower, right? I don't get what's the difference between distance and strength. Let me know if you guys know what these two do. That's different. Okay. What else do we need? Some other wrinkles as well. Get the vector and put noise onto that. Put another noise on there. I'm getting like more stretchy looking stuff. I don't know. Need to work on this some more. Maybe light probe would be good. Pick it. Okay. Very nice. Alright guys. I think coming to the end here. Let's see. Boop 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 boop. Relative is relative to the full object. Okay. Oh, you did your decals on your EEVEE hover bike. Is it some kind of texture projection? Yeah, that was just a side projection. Let me show you. I will show. Boop, 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 boop. So the hover bike decals, let's look at them first of all. By the way, if you want to support this channel, you can buy stuff from me. This model is for sale on my Gumroad. But let's see. It's loading in all the shaders. It takes a while because there's gazillion different things going on in here. Give it a second. But basically, I'm going to the side view here and giving a projection, a UV project from the side for all these graphics. So let's see. So all of this stuff, if we go into the image editor and look at UV, so there's the UVs for this, right? And also the same for this. So basically the entire bike is UV'd here in side view. Let me see, hopefully it doesn't crash. That's not very helpful. Let me try to do this. Yeah, it's all UV'd from the side. And then I just have a Photoshop file for the graphics. Where is it? Boop boop. So the model comes with all these textures too, like this. So here's all the what is all this? I don't know what this is. Here's all the accent colors. You can adjust all of these manually or independently. Here's all the chrome. And then here's all the welding for the frame. Like all those heat areas on the all these blue areas right here. And let's say like for the accent color here, you could, where is it? So here's the accent color. You can change it right here. You can change the chrome color, and you can also change the body color. If I can find it, where the hell did I put it? Oh, here it is. So here's the body color up here. This is so ugly. I love it. There's lots of goodies inside here. Anyway, why materials menu appears separated to the rest of the interface? Is it an add-on? Yes. I mean, this is a little menu that I've been working on. It separates all the material stuff, so it pops up over your mouse, and also it adds in a couple extra settings that, I mean, it kind of consolidates a lot of settings that you use commonly, and it also has some scripts here. Like, these are all new scripts that make copying, deleting, and creating new materials. It does a couple of steps in a row for you, so you don't have to redo them over and over again. And thanks, guys. See his end. How do you come up with company names? I don't know. Well, Shinmoto is this is my friend Kirk. He helped to produce this model with the physical version. So he was like helping with the 3D printing and making molds, and he also made a figure sculpt. So we were doing this project together, and then all this other stuff. Here's Hard Ops from Jerry Perkins. This is, I don't know, some Greek thing. And then Heavy Poly, that's my channel. Kendall's where I grew up. Yeah, so it's just random stuff. Let's see. So you're at it every day. Yes, I'm at it every day. Did you write a script for a properties pop-up? Yes, that's the script. You can find it if you search HEAVYPOLY 2.8 on YouTube. You can click to log icon next to person. Oops, let me go down. Boop, boop, boop. Wish to buy the project file for study and for showing off how amazing they are. Wish I had such oh, well, I mean, if you want to get it, it's here. I'm gonna you go to gumroad.com/vlink, and I think for any of this stuff, guys, if you're here on the stream, I think there is a you can use. Let me see. I think I have a coupon here for you guys. YT. Does that work? Yeah, so if you use YT, then it oh shit, that was my card number, wasn't it? Fuck. Well, that's great. Anyway, if you use YT, you get a coupon there. Fuck my life. Alright, I'm gonna have to get my identity stolen now. I'm an idiot. But you still need the back of the car, don't you? Anyway. So, I think that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna render this off and tuck it away in the archives. Probably should have, maybe I can come back to this next year and do a better version. Anyway. Okay, have a good rest of your weekend. Thanks for joining in, guys. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.